If your business is growing revenue, but inventory feels heavier every season, you're most likely already asking yourself, why is this happening? Most teams are using open to buy like a budget instead of what it's supposed to be, a controlled system of margin, cash, and inventory risk. When open to buy isn't anchored to the gross margin ROI, what happens is predictable. You buy to protect top line, you carry too much exposure, and margin quietly erodes through the markdown later. I'm hosting a live working session called Gross Margin ROI and Open to Buy Live Build, where we'll build an open to buy model step by step and show how to separate priority buys from risk buys so your buying team can stop reacting and starts controlling the outcome. This is not a theory, and you'll walk away with a model that can actually be deployed. If you are responsible for inventory, margins, or cash flow in your company, join us live. Drop a comment below or register through the event link, and we would gladly to share our knowledge, and we look forward to see you on February 19th at 10:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time.